420 from Loner 420 House. Peace all. Yeah, I'm not really stuck in the house, but yeah, I'm at home today for my 420. So while I'm uploading my smoothie challenge, my 10-day smoothie challenge that a friend of mine wanted me to do, I'm posting the video right now, and it's 420, so happy 420 again all. After this smoothie vid I'm posting, I'll post my 420 vid. Live. February 23rd, Monday, 2015. Loving it. Peace all. Happy 420 from Loner 420 House here on Vancouver Island. Beautiful sunny day. Signing out.